Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I want to do this video for Project 2 to teach you how to read error messages from the terminal. And so let's begin. So this is the first error message that we have. I'm going to teach you how to read it. So first, we're going to try to locate an error. So here I see the type of error that we're having. So I know that this is the first line of the log of an error. That is a type error. That's the class of error that it is. And this is the message of the error. So let's read it. It says self.addLevelDB data is not a function. So just by reading this, I know that this self doesn't have a function that is called like this. So this is the first thing that you know. So I'm making mistakes because this doesn't have this function. So you need to correct that. And where do I have to correct that error? So I'm going to try to look for a file where the error is located. So I start looking and I see this line. So this is where the error is located. So it's in level sandbox.js, and here I can see the line of code. So it's line 59. So all you need to do is go to open this file, level sandbox.js, in your code editor and try to look for line 59. So that's what you need to do. Let's see this next error. So I run it and I get this error. So the same. First, I try to look for errors. So the first thing is that I'm going to try to look for a type of error or a class of error. So here, I explicitly see a category of error that is called type error. So that's what I do. I found an error, and I know that this is the first line, because always in the first line is the type of error and a really small message. So I know that it is of type error, and it's telling me that self doesn't have a function that is called create a string. So what I need to do is to try to find, so if I know that this thing doesn't have a function that is called like this. So what I need to do is to find the proper object that has this function. And now I need to find the file where the program is. So I know that is in this line of code that is, and the file. So the file is this one, and the line of code is 53. So please open your, so what I would do is open the code editor on this line and search for this line and correct it.